Hey guys, so today is on Saturday. I haven't been in town for 3 days. I'm from the cargo to collect a consignment that came in, I think on Wednesday, but because of the ongoing protests, I couldn't go to collect, so I went today on a Saturday. So yeah, I want to unbox that with you. It's milk or fridge containers. They are organization thingies for the fridge. You can put your water, you can put whatever that you want, honestly, in the fridge. And tumblers, the stylish tumblers. So let's open up and see. So here are the 3 boxes. We will start with this one. So we have brought this one before, and so we expect it the same thing as last time. So that's how this looks like. So guys, we are done unboxing. The straws came differently, so they can't fit inside that box. Let me show you. But these ones I need to keep candle. We've already packed everything else. So these ones, when someone comes, because it's 5 colors that have come in, these ones I need to keep somewhere down safely, but I believe all of them are 60 pieces. So let's unbox all of them. So this is black, and they are so huge. I didn't expect them to be this huge. It's so huge. So with the black straw, that's pretty. That's very nice. And then we go to the next one, the pink. Is this pink, or I think it's baby pink or peach? So pretty. And then it's mint, very cute. Yes, very beautiful. I love it. I'm probably going to take every color. So we have a green. This green, where? Oh, this is actually not a bad green. It's a very cute one. Is this even green or turquoise, or it's in fact blue, but the sticker is green. Ooh, beautiful. The white, I had already showed you the white, but let's do it again. It's white, beautiful. Where, and you won't believe the price that we shipped these ones in. They were going for 550 and 500 and 350, clearing 350, buying one of those, either 550 and 350 or 500 and 350. Total was coming to about 850, but they are so cute. And then lastly, this is not even blue, this is a purple. Wow, very pretty. Gorgeous. Look at that. Pretty. So guys, here they are. Look at them. They're so gorgeous. Ish. And the mate. Wow. Just love. There are so many colors I would have wanted, but I guess the supplier didn't give me. But this is what we have. Oh, they are all so beautiful. Now I have to take for every person in my family. That's my 2 daughters and me. But yeah, that's it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new consignment, so we are very excited to even film. Yay! I feel great this morning. Today is on Thursday. Yes, yesterday I didn't manage to go to work because I had a lot going on here at home, so I was taking care of that. And so yeah, I'm headed out to town and also send guys to bring the items to me in town. So I will unbox with you and let's see what came in. I believe it's mostly glass jars and Pampers grass. They are finally here after a very long time. The wait is over, guys. The wait is over. So let's go to town and yeah, collect the consignment and unbox. And today it's very cold as well. Made my coffee, which is why I'm in the kitchen. And here is my fit, very warm scarf, and my all-time shoes and the jeans and this sweater that I haven't worn in forever. And by forever I mean I think I wore it over a year ago. But now that the cold is here, we have to remove all those clothes which are not our everyday clothes. Yeah, to wear. The reason why I actually don't wear it that often is because the hands are very small. So I usually fold it, but today it's very cold. I don't really care. So yeah, I need to stay warm. And this scarf is also very warm. So let me catch y'all in town as we unbox what just came in. Please like, comment, subscribe, share if you haven't. And yeah. Hey guys, so I'm at the shop. I just got in, but before that I passed by some place along Taveta Road where they have a sale to get a few items for me, and I got a few. I'll show you later. So I come to the shop and I find that this is here already. The one I sent my reader to go and pick. The rest are not here yet, but it's very long. It's very long. These are Pampers grass. Oh my goodness, these are so beautiful. Look at the green. There are 2 types of green. There is this one also. So those are the colors that this one came in. These are gorgeous. Wow, I'm in love. And so now for the Pampers, we have this. This has 15 sticks. This one was going for 350. That was FOB. This one was going for 450. And we have a long one. This is the reason, in fact, why the box came in so big, so that it fits without breaking. Film. Anyway, it's very long. And they are different kidogo, but the same height. So all the boxes are here.